it's Lynette. Thank you for joining me. So today I'm going to do something a wee bit unusual. I'm going to do a kind of mid-month home bargains haul. Now the reason I want to pop it up now and not at the end of the month like I usually do is because I want you to see what I've got. I always want you to see what I've got, but they might be time limited. So I'll come on if you're sad like me. I absolutely love the brand Faith in Nature. So I'm on the Home Bargains Appreciation Society Facebook page. That's a long one to get that one out. And somebody had posted that their store did have in Faith in Nature. Now I normally purchase Faith in Nature from Holland and Barrett if they've got a 20% sale off, or if not, it usually costs me about £5. However, when I went to check prices, some places are doing a lot of offers at the moment, but none of them are doing an offer as good as Home Bargains. So I bought some for me and I bought some for Brandon because he finds his scalp gets really itchy as well. But I'm just going to bring my so I bought the Wild Rose shampoo and conditioner. So they were £2.89 each, and it's 400 mils, the size that I would buy from Holland and Barrett for about £5. And yeah, it's for normal to dry hair, made in UK, vegan and cruelty free. Okay, so I got the Wild Rose. I also got the aloe vera. Oh, brought out the wrong one here. I also bought the aloe vera shampoo, and it says rejuvenating for normal to dry hair. And I should have bought more conditioner because for some reason conditioner finishes up quicker than shampoo for me because I use more, well that's obviously why, lavender and geranium. So those were £2.89 each, so just under £18 for 6 bottles, which I think is amazing. I absolutely love the brand. I also picked up, because they also had these, and I want to try them first, and they smell amazing. Oh, they smell gorgeous. It's the shampoo bars, and I picked up 2, and they are the dragon fruit ones. The dragon fruit, I've had the shower gel in the dragon fruit and it's absolutely stunning. So how much were those? I'll check the price for you. Those were the same price, £2.89, which I thought was fantastic. I'm just looking at the list here. Yeah, the Tunnocks tea cakes and the Monster Munch didn't make it onto this. They've been eaten already. So I had to pick up a few things while I was in there. They don't always carry the Cillit Bang bleach and hygiene. I swear by this stuff. I don't use it all the time, but if you've got, say, the top of your cupboards, if it's greasy and dusty, and it's not seen a good wipe down in a long time, I used to scrub at that with, you know, the kind of soap scouring spongy things, the metally ones, and for hours. Just spray this on it, leave it, and then wipe it. So I kind of pull it out. I don't use it on the worktops or anything, but I pull it out for when I've got a big job like that on. Or the top of our shower sometimes gets a bit, the heads get a bit, they go a bit mouldy. So just spray it with that, leave it, and then wipe it, and that's it. So when I saw that, I picked it up because it was on my list. It's not the usual mousse that I get, the Shockwaves, the Wella Shockwaves, but I was running low and that was £1.79. So they can be up to about £4 in some places for one. I also picked up some highlighter pens because I don't have any at home. These were really reasonably priced. The Cillit Bang's £1.99, which is a good price for the Cillit Bang. These are, how much are these? 69 pence. I think that's brilliant. I'd been speaking to a colleague on the phone yesterday and I was saying, I have this issue where I take notes at every meeting just to remind myself, but what worries me is the notes stack up because there's so many meetings and I'm worried I miss issues. But she had said she just quickly skims her notes and highlights the actions and puts them on a spreadsheet. So I thought, I'm going to do exactly the same thing so I don't have to worry about missing an action. I could just take action points, but for me I need to kind of write out the notes just so I can go back and remember what's happened. And years of actually being a note taker, it's just ingrained. Oh, I picked up 2 toothbrushes. I did try the bamboo ones. I hated the taste, but yeah, I had really bad tonsils when I was younger and I had to get them out, and just those orange sticks things, and you know, the wooden sticks in the back of your mouth, they make me feel ill. And that's what the toothbrush reminded me of. but I really probably should try and find another alternative to bamboo rather than plastic toothbrushes. Anyway, those were 99p for 2 of them, but I just thought I liked the kind of design on them as well. Now, of course, pink is for me. Steve can have the green. When we were buying the boys, Brandon was always green because he supported Hibs. Stephen got blue. I took the pink, and Steve got whatever colour was left when we bought a 4-pack of toothbrushes. But now Brandon's got an electric toothbrush. Oh, I picked this up. Oh, it's a refill. Oh, I thought this was a air freshener, air pure air freshener refill. So it's for one of those machines that I don't have. I wonder if you could use it. You could still use it. But look, it goes in. It must press down every so often. Time release fragrance, but you can still use it. Still sprays. That's good. Picked that up by accident. I thought it was just a regular one. And last but not least, I picked up some Fabulosa. It's a disinfectant, lemon lavender. I was speaking to Marie, and she said she's been using lemon sherbet Fabulosa and never noticed the smell of pee. It's maybe just my nose, by the way. But there's certainly something in it that I don't like. But the lemon lavender smells lovely. So there you go. So it's actually quite nice, isn't it? Because this is a lot cheaper than the other one that I used to buy before Fabulosa came on board. I can't remember the name of it. But it is nice just to have a wee smell. But I've noticed that people actually leave this, you know, almost like use it as a reed diffuser. Leave it in little containers around the house. Do not do what some person did and use it to refill the airwick thing. But yeah, it smells lovely. So I'm looking forward to using that. Yeah, I've only got a couple. I've not got too many of these, but they've got a whole range of stuff. I've seen everybody buying these Shook cans. It's called a Shook can. And I think it's because it sprays quite a hard spray, and they're using it down the radiators. Now there's an easier way to do that than, you know, having to buy a spray. Or I've seen people putting water down as well. I just think that's mucky. Gonna make a mess. Sorry, I'm all about kind of trying to avoid making mess when you're cleaning up more mess. So anyway, that was my haul. And the main thing I wanted to come on was showing you that they did the Faith in Nature for £2.89, and yeah, it's vegan, it's made in the UK, it's cruelty free, and it's 99 natural origins, no SLS or parabens. And some shampoos that don't have SLS or parabens still irritate my hair, so there still can be things in the products that really irritate my hair, but there is nothing in here that irritates my hair in any way. And it's actually the cheapest thing that I've found, the cheapest shampoo, especially at £2.89, the cheapest shampoo even at £5 that I've found that doesn't irritate my hair. So I just had to strip it right back and just see kind of like, will this work or won't this work? But this is a hit for me. So when I saw it at £2.89, I was like, Brandon, please can you take me to Home Bargains? Please, please, please. So he did. So I picked up a couple of bottles for him as well. Because he's the same as me. He's got a sensitive scalp. And it's not the first day when I wash my hair, it's fine. It's the following day. So say I usually wash my hair at night when I'm working. I'll have my shower at night. I just can't. I really struggle to have a shower in the morning. If I'm trying to leave the house for like 7 o'clock, it just doesn't work for me. So what I usually do, I have a shower at night, and in the morning, I just, because my hair has got a life of its own, I can't just go out with bed hair. So I'll stick my head under the shower, and yeah, when I do that, even if I wash my hair the night before, it gets incredibly itchy. So I spend the whole day kind of like trying not to itch my head, but some nights I can find myself just sitting doing that until my head bleeds. It's horrible, but it was a shampoo and I didn't actually realise that, and I tried everything. You know, I kind of bought all this different stuff for my scalp and bits and pieces, and then I discovered it was the stuff in the shampoo that was irritating my hair, and this has been a kind of lifesaver for me. Okay, so I'm going to do another thing for the secret giveaway. Now, right, don't say it's a giveaway in the comments, because then people know, right? And if you've stayed till the end, you deserve this. But let me know in the comments whether you're a green toothbrush or a pink toothbrush. There we go. Folk will wonder what you're talking about. Because in the last video it was like green sheep, blue duck or something, and it just made me giggle when folk were like green sheep. And it's quite nice because a lot of people watch the videos and don't comment, but when you're doing a giveaway, I know they're watching now because they're making a wee comment. So I really like doing this, and I probably will continue to do this. I've got the ASOS giveaway as well. I managed to get a box, ASOS box, it's just beside me, just by sheer blooming hitting that refresh button and just going for it. I hate the way that they're doing it at the moment. That's all I'm going to say on the subject. But I've decided to give the box away to give somebody a chance that hadn't had a chance through ASOS and won't pay the stupid prices that people are putting them on eBay for, which is shocking. Should be stopped. I think it's awful. But if folk are willing to buy them from eBay, people will continue to do it. So don't buy them from eBay. That's all I'm going to say. Unless they're selling them for £12, don't buy from eBay. I mean, I love eBay, but you're just encouraging people to buy to stick them on to make profits. Some of them are ridiculous prices. I don't know if they actually sell at those prices or people just say, no, I'm not, I don't know how that works. I don't know if you can bump a price up and then say you're not paying it. I don't know how that works on eBay. I don't think it's a very good thing to do. I don't think it's good etiquette. But anyway, that's my haul. I was over the moon that my store had faith in nature, and I hope your store will. There was lots. If there was only a few, I wouldn't have bought 6 bottles, but some are for Brandon, some are for me, so I don't feel guilty. I'm not profiteering. I'm not going to pop them on online and sell them. However, if you don't have a Home Bargains, or you don't have Home Bargains, if your Home Bargains doesn't have any, they are selling them online at the moment for a lot cheaper than usual. Even Holland and Barrett is selling them 25% off, but I saw them online somewhere else for £3.80 or something. But Home Bargains is selling them at the cheapest. I don't know if they're repackaging. Sometimes you see that they'll go, you'll find something in Poundland or Home Bargains, or things like Latest in Beauty, and it turns out they're repackaging or rebranding. So that could possibly be what's happening. But anyway, enjoy the haul, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye guys. Who is ridiculously excited about shampoo? Is it just me? And a bargain. Speak to you later guys. Bye.